Hello, my name is Josephine Zoglu, and this is the computerized simulators for the marine industry, the case study of SES, a game engine-based environment for CHI Greece 2021. The last 40 years, the mining traffic has been increasing the number of maritime disasters with a high number of casualties. This has resulted to even if those disasters happen in relatively calm waters, have resulted to high casualties because of the high number of untrained evacuees, the presence of children and the elderly in a very, very complicated structure. To this end, we are proposing serious games and simulators for the solution, for the alleviation of these problems. And existing works on evacuation simulators and serious games propose two approaches, 2D and 3D. 2D are using simpler graphics and more have other pros, such as very high reliability and they are lightweight. They do not allow the user participation. And the 3D ones are more realistic. They allow better spatial representation, but they are more computationally expensive and the development is more complicated. For the mathematical representation of evacuation, we're using models such as the panic model, evacuation model, the prospective action decision model. The last two are mostly in use nowadays. We also mathematically model the phenomena, which will be explained later. The prototype, to this end, we are proposing SIP evacuation simulator as a prototype for a prototype 3D multiplayer evacuation series game on passenger ships. With the feature of gamification entertainment, which is fully 3D, applied on passenger ships, allowing the concurrent participation of computer-controlled and user-controlled avatars. The main goals of SES is the assessment of game engines as development tools, the application of gamification entertainment on such applications, and the training of the passengers. The architecture of SES allows two modes, administrative and user mode with different responsibilities. The features include spatial and behavioral ones, and the results first validate the SES as a reliable serious game and simulator. Increasing while we increase the number of evacuees, we drop the survival rate dropped. The game engines have been proved capable of creating lightweight and efficient serious game evacuation simulators and evacuation serious games and evacuation simulators. And the immersion was achieved after 7 minutes, within 7 minutes. Which is one of the main goals of this application, but the users tended to lose focus after those 7 minutes, so this needs more experimentation. And finally, the users have improved their performance after each session, so this means that the evacuation series games are capable of training the users on evacuation scenarios. Concluding, game engines are reliable for the development of evacuation simulators. The simultaneous participation of bots and human users is possible. The immersion of the users have been achieved, and SES has contributed to the training of the evacuees. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.